Today we're gonna be making tacos with a side of tacos, piled high with tacos. Let's get this party started. The reason we're using this pork shoulder is because it has really good fat content. Now for some garlic. As you may know by now, I'm a huge fan of garlic. And because of that, I smell bad. Next, we're gonna add our spices. Then we're gonna finish it with 2 blood oranges. This looks like food, so we're gonna put it in the oven, turn it into food you can actually eat. Don't eat raw pork. Next, tortillas. We're gonna make our own. May sound scary, but it's only a little bit of effort for a lot of bit of difference. Look at this, plumping up. Come here, that's what you want. Get a little pillowy, that's how it lets you know it's done. Next up, shrimp. Couple of ingredients, salt, cumin, paprika. Yeah, make sure you flip it around a lot so people think you're a highly skilled professional, like me. There you go, Serve and Turf Taco Mania, courtesy of your Thermador. Now you go, don't just talk about it, be about it.